The next topic is bandwidth with feedback. Okay, so now bandwidth is nothing but what? It's the difference between two frequencies, that is f2 minus f1. In general, you know this one, but here have consider that the bandwidth is now measuring with feedback. Is nothing but the negative feedback is used to reduce the voltage gain. For a particular frequency, the voltage gain of the circuit, okay, is stabilized or reduces for a particular frequency. That frequency now we'll call it as a f0 here. So this frequency, what it does, it will stabilize or reduces the voltage gain. Okay, so now based on that, we call this as a break frequency. Break frequency means at frequency where the voltage gain starts, reduces, and for a particular time it will stabilize. Now we will determine the bandwidth in terms of frequency. Okay, so now here in this we'll concentrate on one sentence, that the frequency at which gain is equal to 1 is known as unity gain bandwidth, UGB. Okay, so now this is a frequency we call it as a break frequency here. So we can write UGB is equals to A into F0. So this is a frequency or unity gain bandwidth, which is a product of gain and the frequency F0 without feedback now, okay, which is equals to unity now. So A is the open loop voltage gain, F0 is the break frequency. So now similarly, if I connect the feedback also for a unity gain, what I can write here is, for a single break frequency means F0, UGB can written as AF into FF, where AF is nothing but closed loop voltage gain, FF is nothing but bandwidth with feedback. Okay, so now both are equal to 1 for a particular frequency called as a break frequency. Now you can equate them. If I equate them, it becomes A into F0 equals to AF into FF, because both are equals to 1 for a particular frequency. That frequency is called as break frequency. So now here have to rearrange the frequencies. We'll get FF equals to A into F0 by AF, and FF is nothing but, here you can rearrange this equation, A into F0 divided by AF is nothing but what? 1 A divided by 1 plus A beta. This is already derived. So now A get cancelled here. So FF becomes F0 divided by F0 into bracket of 1 plus A beta. So very simple derivation here. So from this we can say that here the bandwidth frequency without feedback can affected with 1 plus A beta times, thereby stabilizing the gain of the circuit. Okay, here this is about bandwidth with feedback, very simple concept. Now there is a one problem here which is solved. Just go through the problem. All the values are given. You have to find out AF, ROF, RIF, FF. Okay, so very simple problem is there. All the formulas are derived from the given concept. Just use the formulas here and substitute the values and you will get the output. So very simple problem. All the values are given. Okay, just solve this. Another problem I will send you. Okay, just solve that one. This you need to not consider here. Okay, this is something different. I will send another problem, solve that one. If you have any doubts, text me a message. Okay, thank you.